It's really early on Saturday morning. We are headed to a community yard sale. Oh look, there's Eliza. It's her birthday. And we're gonna go see if they have any junk in Arizona. I haven't even put on makeup, like it's very early. The streets are lined with cars, so there's lots of people. It's a community one, so there should be lots of yard sales. We're following the arrows, the hot pink arrows. All right, we like to peruse the yard sales and see if there's anything good. This looks like things I'm not interested in. All right, so this table doesn't have a ton of stuff, but look how cute this is. And that's really cute. And is this actually painted?
I have lots of paintings and I
like
get lots
that.
of frames to do them.
All right, so this is the piece that caught our eye. So whenever you're having yard sale, you always have to have the one piece that catches your eye to get people to stop. They wanted 100. We negotiated down to 70. And I'm kind of obsessed with it. I can't wait to get it home and do something fun with it. Okay. Aren't you glad that we got a roof rack before we left Utah?
I'm always glad I have roof racks. I love that.
Thank goodness we also bought that bag that's going to keep that safe all the way home.
If it fits, it's big.
Oh, man. Well, it was worth it. You know it's serious when he's busting out the straps.
It's got a little damage right here, but nothing we can't handle.
Well, you know we're going to paint it, right?
Yeah.
Let's get in the paint. And then you can print and mat something really big. Actually, I don't think you can mat something that big, can you?
We can mat it.
All right, we're walking to the next yard sale. And all the way over here, Jack wants to say hi. Hi. I can see copper tins. I'm getting excited, but I'm gonna have to control my game face so they don't ask too much money for them. All right, so we pulled up. The prices are good, so I'm gonna take home a few things. What do you think, Jack? So $35 for all of these items. Now we gotta make room for them in the car. Do you think we can make them fit?
We're getting close to what I can and can't make fit.
I feel like we've got more room. All right, everybody has to hold something. Redrick, careful with my plates.
Yeah.
Jack, do you have my copper?
Your plate's the most clumsy.
Zeb, do you have my copper? All right, let's go. That's why you bring kids. So that way you have help holding things. What? I'm teaching you to be, I'm teaching you to have grace with the junk in your hands. Don't drop it. Bonus points for the garage sale sign using pumpkins. It got my attention and I knew it was gonna be a good one. This time of year, don't you think Arizona would be a nice place to live?
Yeah, for about a month here and then right back to, whoa, it's too hot.
Look how green that grass is over there. It has been so wet in the west.
Really cool tree box we got.
The kids are assessing the junk situation. I wish I wasn't traveling because that table would be mine. Look at that. Some gorgeous detail. Debbie Beard from Debbie's DIY would be so excited for all these angels. They're her favorite. When you love bunt pans so much that you get a bunt pan ornament, I feel like that's pretty great. Because I don't know why, but I love like little aluminum, I can't even say it, aluminum measuring cups. I'm gonna ask them how much they want for these. Those are cute. You guys, hashtag winning, all free. The one thing I decided that I really gotta have, I'm taking it home for $0. All right, what did you find, Zeb?
So I got a couple of brass geese and they're super solid and heavy.
They're super cute. And then also, Jack, show them what Dad, is that, oh, is it a weight or is it a candlestick?
Both.
For $1, that's really cute. I know, Julia, what did you find?
Got a little pin. It says
And
make a difference.
Make a difference. Aw, cute. And it was free?
Yeah, it's free. Free 99.
Hey, Zeb, what are you doing?
I am arranging the floral arch.
For Gentry's wedding?
Gentry's gonna be married.
Let's show off Zeb's skills. It was a group effort, but we're gonna add floral designer to your repertoire.
Let's do it. We had a really good time at Gentry's wedding, but it was time to return to Utah. The beautiful sunny skies of Arizona were so much fun. It's where Zeb and I met, it's where most of our family lives, and we love Arizona. Unfortunately, as we started to turn through the mountains, we saw that there was snow coming home. While we love the beautiful snow of Utah, it has been a super long, wet winter, and it's been cold. We have a situation this morning.
We left sunny Arizona and back to Utah. Well, today is a stark contrast to the video that you saw at the beginning where there was sunshine in Arizona. Like, welcome back to Utah.
Winter storm warning through tomorrow. You know, like I said in the last video, it's April now. We're ready for the spring to hit. I think it is actually coming. By the end of the week, we're gonna be almost into the 60s during the day, so I feel like we'll be fine.
I'm gonna show you what it looks like on our drive to the thrift. We are pulling in exactly 1 minute late, but not too many people here, so it's gonna be good. Whoop, we're here. We're headed in. Hopefully there's something that I want in the floral because I need some spring flowers in my life. But I'm gonna check the glassware first because usually there's something I want. Well, there is nothing I feel like I need to take home today, so we're gonna pass on the glasswares and go to the flowers. As per usual, lots and lots of Christmas. This sad little topiary. Some funky grass. I don't know, we might have struck out on floral. Maybe there's more in the back. All right, so I just perused the cart. Oh, what is that? Hello, my first ever piece of jadeite in the wild for $2, you guys. That's a good Monday. Also found some pewter, $2 each. I'm still crushing on this. I can't believe I found like real, actual, legit jadeite. That's exciting.
So I saw this right off and I'm like, oh yay, a globe, but look, it's got some weeble wobbly. I think I'm gonna pass on that. I don't know that I can repair that without some major reconstruction on that base. Weird find of the day. I think I'm gonna pass on it. I don't know about painting this all French country or farmhouse. Although I will grab this little tote. It's got kind of a funky design on the end, but for $2, I think we'll decoupage the end of this and it'll look cool. Or what I might do is just sand this top down or cut it down and make that flat. There's still enough room right here to hold that dowel in. We'll do that.
I'm gonna pick up this. This is one of those like Keurig organizer things. It's only $2. I always like bottle organizers, so I'm definitely gonna pick up this 6 bottle organizer. We'll see what kind of canning jars fit in it.
We'll see if Jamie wants these. These are kind of fun. How much? $3? There we go. Oh, $15. Put a tree in that one. That's big. I think I'm gonna leave it here.
All right, let's look through the kitchenware. $2. Definitely cute. Little chip there, but nothing horrible. I think this is a silver platter with a bow on it. Oh no. Sad day. But it was missing on the other side. That would have been cute.
So this is kind of a cool find. These are all priced individually, $3 a cup, all hand carved. I don't think I'm gonna take it home with me either, but I'm tempted to take a couple of these pieces home. This is cool. It's like a little candle holder. And then I'm loving this hand carved wood ladle. It's hard to say. We'll see.
Okay, so Zeb has already been out here, but somehow he missed this really cool tote. So I'm gonna look and see if there's anything else that I found in the yard. It's funny how sometimes we have kind of the same vision, but we see different things. I actually kind of love this print for 4th of July. I think if I repaint that frame, that'd be really cute. What do you think? I'll put it sideways so you can see. I'm gonna grab it. So I know it's only April, but in May, I'm gonna put out my Americana decor. So I'm starting to shop for that now. So if you're a reseller and you're in the US, now is the time to make sure you've got all your pieces together so by the end of the month you can get your display in. So I'm gonna glance at the lamps, but I don't think I'm gonna take any home. We did sell a set, but I bought a set and I really tried to make sure that I have a good balance of items. And there's nothing I can't live without here. Oh my gosh, this pot is hilarious, this big fish. It's like heavy. I can't believe Zeb passed that up for $15. I don't know, what do you think? Should I buy it and put it outside at the shop? All right, here's the second area of florals. Not really seeing anything here either, so I guess I'll have to pass on these today. But I am seeing a globe. I'm really shocked that he would not pick this up. I wonder if, oh, it's only $4. Yeah, I'm gonna grab that. All right, seriously, how cute is that cookie jar? I'm gonna make sure there's no big cracks. For $8, I'm definitely gonna pick it up. I almost missed out. Look at that birdhouse. I love these. Oh, it's like a whole situation for $3. I think if we take out the ugly flowers, this could be cute. Look, it's got a little, yeah, I'm gonna buy that. I also love this for $5. I'm gonna pick it up. I'll have to get the floral foam out, but that's no big deal. All right, so I always like to squat down because it's always good stuff. I love this picture of Jesus with a sheep, so that's definitely coming home with me. I also spied just the top of this, and now I'm kind of undigging this one. But yeah, that's really cool. I'm gonna take this home. And hiding behind here is a little clock. $3, that's a good deal.
So I'm glad to know we're at least on the same page, because I was wanting to buy this globe too, but Jamie did not notice it was broken.
Yeah, it's broke down on the bottom, so.
I mean, I could probably finagle it, but you got some fun art and things in here.
Yeah, I did. This one's actually really cool. I had to dig down the bottom.
Oh, nice. Yeah, that is cool.
I can't believe Zeb missed out on the hand-carved elephant. You're not gonna buy him? Maybe we'll get the lion. This one's marble. That one we don't paint though. All right, Zeb decided to buy the pear and we're getting the lion, but we're not painting the lion because it's marble.
I was just like, have I been getting too many elephants? But I can take it home.
All right, so what's the total, Zeb? 104, I think it was.
Let's see. I don't even remember. I just paid the man. 94.
94. All right, 94, and it's like a cart and a few things, but lots of big things.
Yeah, it's gonna be good. It's a good haul.
Yeah.
You know, it's not sticking on the road, but it's supposed to snow until tomorrow, so I'm not gonna hold my breath that we don't wake up to icicles all over the place tomorrow morning.
In one video, we had sunshine and warm shorts weather, and in another video, snow. Just goes to show how diverse the weather is here in America.
Yeah,
like,
10 hours away, 80 degrees. Here, gonna be 25 tonight.
if you guys like this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button and stick around. I'll give you close-ups of everything from the yard sales to the thrifting. Be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Jamie Ray Vintage for more
DIY.